Hey, this is Joe, and if you know that I like kettlebells and mountain biking, this exercise is for you. For Kettlebell Sport, you need a lot of triceps for overhead work. This is an easy thing to do with your light kettlebells that you hardly ever use again, haven't used in a long time. 2 micro bands and a 1-inch PVC pipe. All right, so those pipes that you use to stretch, simple. All you're gonna do, and the reason why I like this is it trains reaction, and it just destroys your triceps with very, very light weight. The thing about with mountain biking is you're going through rock gardens, you're going through all sorts of stuff. Your triceps take a beating. They have to adapt and adjust to everything you hit. So this exercise is wonderful for both of those. Notice the angle change right here. I try a shortened range of motion, but I'm trying to hit all heads of the tricep. The reason why I like using the thin micro band versus a shorter, much thicker resistance band is this gives you a lot more changing of the weight. Just the energy is there. The energy changes around a lot. The kettlebells twist, bounce, all sorts of stuff. So this is a wonderful exercise. I shoot for reps of 50, a couple sets of 50. And I'm telling you, it works very well. Hope you enjoy it.